Quran chapter 2 Al-baqarah verse 60. Remember the times when you were in the Sinai desert, and Moses asked for water for his people. We said, strike the rock with your staff, and there gushed out 12 springs so that each tribe found its respective source of fresh cool water. Moses said, enjoy God's provision, but desist from becoming mischievous. Mischief equals creating disruption and chaos in the land for selfish gains. Asa equals staff, equals force, equals conviction, equals support, equals a united community holding on to a mission as the 5 fingers hold on to a cane. Moses was guided to rocks under which were hidden 12 springs of water ready to gush forth. With the strength of his conviction and with the help of his companions, Moses unclogged those springs. 160.